Marketing and promoting HVAC products and services requires a comprehensive approach that targets both local and online audiences. Here's a comprehensive strategy to effectively market your HVAC business. 1. Optimize your Google Business Profile. GBP or GBP is your digital storefront, so ensure it's complete, accurate, and well optimized. Include accurate business information, user-friendly photos, and positive customer reviews. Monitor your GBP regularly and respond to reviews promptly. 2. Engage in local search engine optimization. SEO. Local SEO helps your HVAC business rank higher in search engine results for relevant local queries. Optimize your website for local keywords, build backlinks from reputable local websites, and claim and manage your Google My Business listing. 3. Utilize Google Ads for targeted advertising. Targeted Google Ads can help you reach your ideal customer base. Create ads that focus on specific HVAC services, products, or areas of expertise. Utilize location targeting to reach potential customers in your service area. 4. Leverage HVAC Google Local Service Ads. Google Local Service Ads, LSAs, are specifically designed for local businesses like HVAC companies. They allow you to showcase your business, services, and availability to potential customers searching for HVAC solutions in your area. 5. Develop a compelling HVAC website. Your website is your online hub, so make it informative, engaging, and user-friendly. Use high-quality images, clear descriptions, and customer testimonials. Ensure your website is mobile optimized and load times are fast. 6. Create valuable HVAC blog content. Regularly publish informative and engaging blog posts on HVAC-related topics like maintenance, energy efficiency, and industry trends. This establishes your expertise and attracts organic traffic to your website. 7. Leverage social media marketing. Establish a strong presence on relevant social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Share valuable content, engage with your audience, and run targeted social media ads. 8. Utilize influencer marketing. Partner with local HVAC influencers who have a strong following in your target audience. Collaborate on content creation, marketing campaigns, or social media mentions to reach a wider audience. 9. Attend local trade shows and events. Networking and building relationships are crucial for the HVAC industry. Attend local trade shows, industry events, and community gatherings to connect with potential customers and industry peers. 10. Offer referral programs and incentives. Encourage customer referrals by offering enticing incentives. This can help you expand your reach and attract new customers through word-of-mouth marketing. 11. Provide exceptional customer service. Word-of-mouth marketing is powerful in the HVAC industry. 12. Stay updated on industry trends. 13. Embrace technology and automation. 14. Write digital books. We promote HVAC products and services worldwide,